Meet the MUCAR Key581, the all-in-one intelligent key programmer for modern vehicles. HD screen, one-hand control, super fast, and with Wi-Fi support, you get lifetime free database updates, so you're always up to date. What can it do? Immobilizer matching, remote generation, cloning, chip identification, key writing, and remote battery voltage detection. With a built-in OBD module and CAN-FD support, it communicates directly with the vehicle system. No extra adapters needed. Whether it's immobilizer matching for a BMW CAS3 Plus, remote generation for a Fiat, or key addition for a Toyota, the Key581 delivers. It even doubles as a diagnostic tool. Check remote leakage current and battery voltage, all in one device. Comes with all cables, new leakage detector, OBD cable with light, programming cable, USB charge, ready to work right out of the box. Whether you're a locksmith, technician, or car enthusiast, the MUCAR Key581 is your smart, reliable partner for key programming.